Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Samsung Galaxy Tab E, at the first you have to go for the Play Store. Next tap on search pool and type recorder. Let's get one of these apps. I will go for example for this one. Click to install. Accept all the permissions. Click to open. And right now, to start the record, we have to click right here. And to check the quality, we have to stop this record. And it's saved automatically to our tablet. So let's click play. Okay, let's volume up one more time. And just check the quality. And that's how it sounds. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!